Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make an AI video. Now, before I show you how to do this, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. Now, there are a lot of different tools, softwares you can use, but I found this one to be decent and it's also for free. So it's called capwing.com, and you basically come here and create a video about dog walking. Then you just want to click on generate. You can play around with the titles, the duration, the size, and as you can see, you can generate 3 videos for free, and then you need to upgrade. So in our case, let's just click on generate video. Okay, it's asking you to continue in with email. So just enter your email, continue with email. Then you need to check your email for a login code. For some reason I still didn't get the code, but basically we just enter the code, we log in, and then it's going to create us the video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.